In this video, we'll learn about the new Loocey's Distributors feature in the DLA bidding board. This feature will help you to link other suppliers to the main manufacturers or approved sources listed on the RFQs. The most common use case is that you may often buy the products from the distributors, but it is often very hard to keep track of all distributors and which products they sell. Loocey will make it super easy with this new feature. Let's see how it works. Let's go to our suppliers list and find Boeing. Right-click and open a new tab for the Boeing company supplier. We'll need this later. But for now, let's go back to our first tab. Because Boeing is a large manufacturer, they will not sell their parts directly to the supplier. Instead, you may have to find authorized distributors that sell Boeing parts. For this example, let's assume the distributor's name is ABC Boeing Supply. Let's add ABC Boeing Supply to our suppliers list. Enter the name and cage, maybe website and phone number as needed. Let's also check the distributor checkbox. This will help us identify the distributors. Next, let's go to the second tab that we had opened earlier for the Boeing company details. Click on Supplier Distributors tab, click on Add Item. This will create a new line item. In the distributor column, start typing ABC Boeing. You should see the new supplier we had created earlier. Let's select that one. And for the description field, you can leave empty or make a comment as needed. Now with this simple step, we have linked our new ABC Boeing Supply Company to the Boeing Company, letting the system know that ABC Boeing Supply is able to provide some or all of the parts which are manufactured by the Boeing Company. Now, let's see how this works in action. Let's go to the DLA RFQs page. This is where we see all open solicitations. Let's enter this NSN in the search bar and search. Next, click on the NSN link for one of the solicitations it found. As you can see in the Approved Parts tab, we have a part listed that DLA wants, and the manufacturer is the Boeing Company. Now, let's see what happens when we use our one-click copy to copy this solicitation to the bidding board. Close the NSN dialog. Select the first solicitation in the list, click on dots and copy to bidding board menu option, click Copy. Once it's done copying, let's go to the bidding board, find the recently copied item and open it in detail view. Now take a look at the Supplier Quotes section. System recognized that the Boeing Company has a linked distributor in the system and it automatically added the line item with the details from the Boeing Company line, including the part number and the quantity. This alone is going to save you so much time. Notice how we also have the distributor column here, and it's checked for the distributors that system found and added to the Supplier Quotes table. This will make it much easier to identify the distributors. That's it. You don't have to memorize which suppliers carry which products, simply link them in the system once and Loocey will automatically pull them out and put them in our Supplier Quotes table so we can go ahead and request quotes for the given RFQ. Of course, you can still add items manually into the Supplier Quotes table and select a supplier from the dropdown as you like. But you'll have to manually fill in the details and remember which supplier may have the products required by the NSN. There you have it. This is how you can use the new Supplier Distributors feature in Loocey. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.